So we've added our first movie. Second movie, let's add The Goonies. Release date 1985, June 7th. The director was Richard Donner. Starring, let me copy and paste these over here. We'll give it 4 stars just to have something different. Really good movie is my review. Awards, we'll just say Oscar Best Picture, 1986, 01. Category, we'll put this in the adventure category. Save in new. Let's see, Wayne's World is another great movie. Release date was 1992, 02/14. The director was Penelope Spheris, and it was starring Mike Myers and Dana Carvey. We'll give this one 4 stars as well. Awards, we won't give it any awards, and we'll say this is a comedy, and we'll save it and have a new one. We'll do one more movie. Napoleon Dynamite, one of the best movies of the 2000s. This is a movie about a high school kid. Release date was 2004-11. So June 11, 2004. The director was Jared Hess. And it was starring John Hader as Napoleon Dynamite, and I'll give that one 5 stars. Great movie as well. Probably won some awards, but I won't give it any. Well, actually, let's give it a couple of awards. We'll say Corey's favorite movie of 2004. And let's add another one. So that just to show you how the subform field works. If you hit this plus, it adds another set of fields so you can add multiple awards. Let's call this Best Comedy 2005, 01. And then we'll save that. So now that we've added some movies, let's add a menu item so that we can view the movies on the front end. So if we go to Menus, Main Menu, let's add a new menu item. We'll call it Movies. The menu item type is Movies and Movies to show our list of movies. And then let's save that. So if we go to the front end of our site, there's our Movies menu item. And there's our list of movies. You can search by release date. You can search by director. So if we select John Avildsen, it should only show The Karate Kid. If we select category, select comedy, it only shows Wayne's World and Napoleon Dynamite. And so there's just a lot of powerful functionality built right into the component just from Component Creator. And I didn't have to do anything special, no custom code, nothing. And so it's all built right in. So at this point, it looks like everything is working smoothly. And it was really that simple. We now have a fully functioning, ready to install Joomla component that we created in very little time without writing a single line of code. Component Creator is really a game changer when it comes to Joomla development because it empowers Joomla designers, developers, and integrators at all levels to build custom components for their Joomla websites. It is truly an indispensable resource for any Joomla professional.